Late Venerable Agramahapandita Polvatte Buddhadatta Thero was one of the greatest Pali scholars produced by Sri Lanka in the 20th century. He was internationally respected for his deep knowledge of Pali, Buddhism, and Theravada literature. In recognition of his service, the government of Myanmar awarded him the prestigious title Agramahapandita, making him the first Sri Lankan monk to receive that honor. He made a remarkable contribution to Pali education through his books, which help thousands of students to learn in a simple and systematic way. As a teacher, writer, editor, and scholar, his service to Pali literature continues to inspire students and researchers even today.